Hello everyone, here Dr. Zahid Ansari, Professor of Computer Science Engineering. In this video, I'll discuss how to create a simple banner applet with a scrolling message. We take an example. In this example, a simple banner applet is developed. This applet scrolls a message from right to left across the applet's window. Since the scrolling of the message is a repetitive task, it is performed by a separate thread created by the applet after it is initialized. The banner applet is shown here in this figure. We have the applet and there is a message which we are scrolling from right to left. Okay, so let's see the code in NetBeans. Okay, so this is our class simple banner. Okay, we are importing the necessary Java packages. Our simple banner, it extends the applet, so it's an applet class, and since in this we are creating a new thread to display the message so that it implements the runnable interface also, so it becomes a thread also. Okay, so and in this we are having a data member called message, okay, of type string, and that we are setting to a simple moving banner. Okay, so basically this message we want to display and scroll inside the applet. Okay, T is a thread object reference which is initially null, and we are using a stop flag, okay, to indicate when we want to stop the thread. Okay, so we are implementing here the init method. Inside the init method we are initializing the foreground and the background colors. So we set the foreground color to cyan and we set the background color to red. Okay, after the initialization, the runtime system, it calls the start method to start the applet running. Inside the start method we are creating a new thread by calling the constructor of Java thread class, okay, and passing this reference to it. Okay, so the thread is created. Okay, since we want the thread running, so stop flag we are making false. Okay, and we are calling the start method on this thread object, so it starts running the thread. Inside this thread we want to display our message. Okay, so the start method of the thread, it calls the run method, and we provide the implementation of the run method over here. Inside the run method we have an infinite loop. Okay, this loop terminates when the stop flag becomes true, and we make the stop flag become true in the stop method. Okay, so here inside this for loop, first we call repend. This repend causes the pend method, the repend method causes the update method to be called, and inside that the foreground and background colors are set, and after that the pend method is called, and the pend method, it displays the message. So, right, so it will display our message. After that we make our thread to sleep for half a second. Okay, then we want to scroll it. So what we do is we extract the first character of the message, the leftmost character of the message we extract into CH. Okay, and then the remaining characters we copy to the message, and the first character which we extracted in CH, that we are appending at the end. Okay, and we are checking if the stop flag is true. So if it is not true, then we are again calling, the loop will come back, it will call repend, so the message will be displayed. After scrolling one character, then it will pend the message. Again it will sleep for half a second, then again it will extract the first character from whatever is the message over there. Right, this way it will keep scrolling, and every time it will display the message, then it will sleep for half a second, this way the scrolling will be performed, right? When the stop flag becomes true, at that time we come out of the loop over here and the displaying it stops. And this we want when our our window our applet is minimized. At that time the stop message is called, and when the stop message is called, we set the stop flag equal to true. Okay, and we make the thread object t equal to null. When the stop flag becomes true, then the thread, when the thread which was displaying the message, when it finds that the stop message is true, so it breaks this loop and it comes out. Okay, so this way our this simple banner it is implemented. Okay, so let's run it and see the effect. Okay, so we are running. Okay, so see, this is our applet. Okay, banner applet, and our message, see, it's scrolling the message from right to left. Okay, so it's scrolling one character, and it is sleeping for half a second. Okay, so this finishes the demonstration of implementation of a simple banner applet with scrolling message. Okay, thank you.